y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a headband wig from Klaiyi Hair. So this is what the hair looks like freshly washed and conditioned. This is their 24-inch curly headband wig. It has 150% density and it's in a natural color. So the wig comes with 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back. It also has an adjustable strap in the back as well as the Velcro headband. So along with the wig, you'll get some wig caps, a couple of headbands, and a nice storage bag for your wig. So I already prepped my hair for this style. I have a few braids going back and I did my edges as well. So now I'm just going to try on the wig. I'm going to use the combs to secure the wig along with the headband strap. So this is what the hair looks like in its natural state. The curls are very defined and very soft. I also didn't experience much shedding while washing this hair. So here's a close-up of what the curls look like. Again, this hair is 24 inches long and it is 150% density. So now I'm just going to try on one of the headbands that came with the wig. You guys know that I love headband wigs because they're truly a get up and go type of style. And this curly texture is even more convenient because you really don't even have to style it if you choose not to. I did decide to style this hair, however, so you'll see me taking a spray bottle with some water in it and using some dew mousse. So I'm just going to use my dimming brush to help the curls clump better, and then I'm going to scrunch the curls to encourage some shrinkage. So I found that using the dimming brush in large sections worked even better. So you're going to see me here going over the hair one more time to get better clumping. So here's a close-up of the hair after I'm done styling. Now I'm going to take my blow dryer with the diffuser attachment to dry the hair. I'm going to be pushing the hair towards my scalp to encourage shrinkage and to get more volume. So this is what the hair looked like once it was all dry. I was really happy with the amount of volume I was able to achieve. So now I'm going to put on one of my own headbands to finish off this look. I feel like this headband matches what I am wearing for the day. So if you want even more volume in the hair, you can continue to fluff the hair and separate the curls. When it comes to curly hair like this, I like for my hair to have lots of volume. You can also play around with some styling options as you see me doing here. So this is my first time wearing hair in a curly texture like this, and I was pleasantly surprised how much I love this hair. The hair was super soft and had a lot of volume, and I just really liked the way that it looked on me. The fact that it was a headband wig made it even more convenient, and this is a style that you can literally just get up, throw this on, and be ready to go in less than 5 minutes. So let me know what you think of this wig down in the comments, and if you are interested in purchasing this, I will have it linked in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.